I'm here with Tactical Elite Spray Services. What we do is we take drones and artificial intelligence in order to map the field, and then the drones can optimize the best route to take in order for farmers to experience a higher yield while reducing the amount of chemicals sprayed, and it really reduces the amount of overdrift sprayed into neighboring fields or even neighborhoods. So I grew up in a small town in Georgia, and farming is a really big part of the economy. We lived in a pecan orchard, and then they also farmed soybeans, corn, cotton, and it was always intriguing to me to just watch the farmers go and till the field or shake the trees and pick the pecans. I think I'm most excited to share how different this AI drone spraying is than planes and tractors, but also just looking at the numbers of the business and how we can really scale the business and get into niche markets within crop spraying. I hope it makes the biggest impact on the smaller farmers, because I really do think it's sad that a lot of the small family farms are being priced out by these big conglomerates that have 60, 80, 100,000 acre farms, and these 200-acre farms that really do it for the love of farming and to sustain the land and pass it down generation to generation. I just hope that my business can help keep that tradition going.